Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're doing something a little bit different than working on Quinn or Rex. We're going to be lowering a Porsche Panamera GTS today. That's right. Steve's going to be stopping by, and the car's already on air suspension, and you just have to change these little height sensor rods and it adjusts how the car sits. So we're going to be lowering the GTS. Going to be pretty exciting, something different and new for the vlog, and we get to work on a Panamera GTS. I can't say I would ever have worked on one before. I'm kind of a little excited because this car is absolutely beautiful. Four-door sedan, be a great family car. I'll show you guys more once he shows up, but let's get Rex moved out of the garage and then we'll get set up and ready for him so we can put the car in the air and drop it. Here we go. Steve's new Porsche Panamera GTS. These height sensor bars are from AirMatic lowering links. So basically, just like in Quinn, it has these height sensors which tells the suspension how far to sit up or down. So we're going to install these shorter ones and see what the GTS looks like dropped. So to start, we've got 30 inches in the rear, and in the front we've got 29 inches. So let's get these links installed and see where she sits. And there's monster truck mode. So when you put it into monster truck mode, it goes up a full 1.5 inches, so 31.5 inches in the rear. That is pretty freaking cool. Here you can see the old height sensor link. It looks just like the one that is literally installed in Quinn. Same body, everything, just the rod's different, which is also the same rod is used on the headlight aiming on your BMWs. Let's get this rod taken off and swapped out. To get these off, they are rubber, and you basically just pry off one side and it just pops off. Don't try and pull them straight out. That doesn't work. We just tried that for probably 15 minutes, got nowhere. So just peel it off and it just pops out. On the actual sensor side, hold this, hold the sensor arm so you don't break it. But very simple to get off, nice and easy. Now let's get the new ones installed. Okay, so you got to remember to put your little rubber grommets on, and then now you can take these new ones and pop them into place. Just push till it clicks. And push till it clicks. That's the easy part. Now there's a self-retaining spring that actually goes on the outside. Let's get that and try and put these suckers on. So that wasn't that bad. The hardest part was actually getting the rubbers on, but you can see this retaining spring right here. It's on, all into place. The heights, you set the heights based on how much of a drop you want. So we kind of just measured out as per the instructions. Just follow the instructions and then you can pick the height. You can pick the height that you want to set your GTS at. Alright, so this is high. That's normal. So now on low, we are at 29.25 in the rear. And we are at, in the front, we are at 29. So, not too bad for low. That's a much better wheel gap. It's pretty spicy. So we just ran it through again and it dropped to 29.1/8 in the rear. Front's dropped 1/4 inch and it's 28.75 now. So I think it's just like any lowered suspension. It's going to take a little bit of time to adjust and get used to the settings and just get settled in. But what do you guys think? If you want to see more on the GTS or the GT3 RS or the M4, go give Ghost Steve a follow on Instagram. Well, there we go. Porsche Panamera GTS dropped. And there we go. Porsche Panamera GTS lowered. That was probably the quickest and easiest lowering job I've ever done in my life. Thanks to Steve and Lee for coming by and hanging out and giving me the opportunity to film this. It was a great time. Always a pleasure and a good time hanging out in the garage. Hope you guys enjoyed today's random offshoot content. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, notify you anytime I drop a new video. Have a fantastic day. Peace.